Are you a lover of popcorn? Like you cannot do without eating a popcorn? Then this video is for you. Follow me as I teach you how to do a delicious popcorn in the comfort of your zone, just in a space of 2 minutes. You will not believe me. After doing this popcorn, after giving you this recipe, you will never buy popcorn outside again. It's going to be the best popcorn that you have ever made in your life. So guys, follow me. We add our popcorn. You turn the pot to make sure that so we are going to mix our sugar with a little salt. We are going to mix them together. Our sugar, a pinch of salt. So a pinch of salt is okay. So guys, our popcorn is popping now. Look at it. So it's popping now. So guys, if you notice now, popcorn is almost popped. It has finished popping. It's almost popped. So the next thing we are going to do is to reduce the heat to the barest minimum. We are going to reduce the heat to the lowest now. Then we add our sugar and the salt which are mixed together. So we are going to add the salt and the sugar. We are going to turn. When you add it, you turn. I'm going to add more milk because I love eating my popcorn with milk. So this is it. You cannot wait